let's talk about first why WordPress and why I love this platform so much and why I built an entire membership program around it. So one of the biggest things I always tell people is that it's the kind of platform that pretty much anybody can use and they can use it to self-manage their own website. I mean, what a revolutionary topic. So many business owners that I speak to don't even know where to start and when it comes to the web, and even if they have an idea of where to start, they don't feel like they have the technical background or the tools or the technology to do their own website. Well, WordPress eliminates most of that frustration, most of that fear, and makes it very, very easy to self-manage a website if you're willing to learn a few things. It also reduces the frustration of having a website, and as somebody with a technical background, I can say that even I became frustrated with the old school static setup of websites. And I have a computer science background, so programming was kind of natural to me, yet I still struggled with building a static website. So if you don't have a technical background, I can only imagine how frustrating that would be. And that's not what it's supposed to be like. Websites, and especially built around your business and things that you're good at and that you enjoy doing, should be fun. And WordPress really helps reduce that frustration, and it puts the focus back on having fun and back about talking about the things that you enjoy and that you're an expert at. One of my favorite benefits of WordPress overall is the empowerment for the entrepreneur. It's a technology that is once you see some of the screenshots, if you've never used WordPress before, it's really going to fascinate you, I think, to see how easy it is now to do such what used to be such complex tasks. And so back to kind of that first benefit as well, self-managing a website becomes very, very easy. And for new business owners or solopreneurs or small business owners, you don't have to cut out a major budget to hire programmers and developers. You can use WordPress to do a lot of this stuff yourself and do it quickly and easily. Another thing about WordPress is it allows business owners to showcase their talent because it's built on a content management platform, meaning that you're going to be using your website now to frequently update your audience and to write things about your talents and about things you know. So if you have a specific talent, or let's say you're a financial planner and you have a lot of different financial information to share with people who may be looking at your stuff, well, here's your opportunity to educate those people even before they buy from you and to establish your own credibility in their eyes. And there's no better thing in my mind that a business owner can be doing. Um, One of the biggest reasons to use WordPress is that because it's dynamic in nature, that dynamic content can help to drive revenue. And the bottom line is the bottom line here. If you're not driving business and driving revenue through your website, then really it becomes more of a maintenance overhead than anything else. So how do you turn your website into something that can help drive revenue? WordPress is a phenomenal technology to do that. And finally, WordPress gives you the opportunity to basically open your doors to a global audience. And honestly, I don't care if you have a small business or a shop in a small town where you're mostly just selling to people around the corner. If you put up a website and you do it properly and you promote that website all over the world, which isn't all that hard to do once you're on the web, then now you have people from any country in the world looking at you and your business and your offerings, and who knows, maybe they'll take interest in what you do, and suddenly instead of just selling to, the 15,000 people in your backyard, now you're selling to 1.5 billion people who may come to your site and look at what you have to offer. So the global opportunity here is just staggering, and it's a lot of fun when you start looking at the people that you can reach out to very quickly using the web.